what's up, guys? Back with another video. Today I'm going to show you my slime. It's called Halloween because it's glowing in the dark. So I am going to show you how the slime is, and let me open it. So slime is actually really jiggly. And it's my favorite slime. I just made it.
There's nothing in it for cloth.
I made it from Slime Kit. Isn't this so satisfying?
What, buddy?
Isn't this so satisfying?
Really small, where everything goes down like strings out of it.
Isn't that satisfying? Okay, so this slime is just like a normal slime. Guys, I will show you some. I will post some more slime videos this week. And peace. Subscribe and like.